Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change business Facebook page to personal. Now as you can see, like currently I am on my business page which has 6k followers, and now as you can see, like this is a professional dashboard. This is basically a professional page. Now if you want to switch to the personal, so just click on the profile icon on the right side upper corner. If you're on the mobile, you can just go to the profile section as well. You will see the profile section from the bottom right corner, so just click on the profile, and inside this list you can just click on see all profiles. Now once you click on see all profiles, so you will be able to see all the pages that are professional along with your personal, you can say the page or personal account as well. Now these are my professional pages, this one, this one, and this one. This is my personal account, you can say. So if I click on it, so that will be shifted towards the my personal account. As you can see, like it has opened my personal account. So if you want to switch it, just click on this profile, click on see all profiles. If you have multiple pages, so you will see the personal account inside this list. Click on switch and you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.